In this video, we'll discuss about the peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system. So the peripheral nervous system is also known as PNS, and this peripheral nervous system includes nerves. So it includes nerves. The nerves, we can classify these nerves on different types of basis. So these nerves can come out of the brain or spinal cord, and depending on that we can classify them as cranial and spinal, and we can also classify them as sensory and motor. Also we can classify them as non-myelinated and myelinated. We can look at this now. So the first way we can classify these is on the presence or absence of the myelin sheath. If the myelin sheath is present, the nerve is known as myelinated nerve. Myelinated nerve is the nerve when myelin sheath is present. So myelin sheath are basically little coverings that actually are wrapped around the axon, and the places where myelin sheath is not present, that is known as the nodes of Ranvier. So the myelinated nerve, here the conduction of the nerve impulse is 20 times faster. So conduction of nerve impulse is 20 times faster as compared to the other one, that is non-myelinated nerve. So 20 times faster as compared to others. So there is one type of nerve impulse that is known as saltatory conduction. So in saltatory conduction, what happens is the nerve impulse jumps from one node of Ranvier to another node of Ranvier. If node means node of Ranvier is present. If node of Ranvier is present, there is a myelin sheath as well. So this kind of saltatory conduction is very fast than the other non-myelinated nerve. So that's why myelinated nerve, here the conduction of nerve impulse is very fast. The second type is called as non-myelinated nerve. Non-myelinated nerve. Non-myelinated nerve is the type of nerve where myelin sheath is not present. If myelin sheath is not present, there is absence of the nodes of Ranvier as well. The third one is called as sensory nerve. So the myelinated nerve and non-myelinated nerve, this is on the basis of presence or absence of the myelin sheath. The next one is on the basis of where the nerve impulse is traveling from which place to which place. So the first one is the sensory neuron. Sensory neuron is also known as the afferent neuron. Afferent neuron. Afferent neuron is where the nerve impulse travels from sense organ to the CNS. Sense organ to CNS or the central nervous system. The fourth one or the second one in this category is called as motor neuron or efferent neuron. So this is afferent and this is efferent neuron. Here what happens is the nerve impulse travels from the CNS, that is central nervous system, to the sense organ. The fifth one is called as mixed nerve. In mixed nerve, the impulse travels from sense organ to CNS as well as from CNS to sense organ. So it's a mix of both sensory nerve and the motor nerve. So this is what mixed nerve is. So on the basis of where the nerve impulse is traveling from which place to which place, we can classify them as sensory nerve or efferent nerve, where sense organ, the nerve impulse travels from sense organ to the CNS, and then motor or efferent nerve. Here the nerve impulse travels from CNS to the sense organ, and then mixed nerve. This is a mix of both the sensory nerve as well as motor nerve. The next basis we can classify neurons or nerves is on the basis of what these nerves are coming out of, from what is their origin. The first one is called as cranial nerves. Cranial nerves are the nerves that originate from or come out of from the brain. Originate from brain. So the nerves which originate from the brain are known as the cranial nerves. The next is called as spinal nerves. Spinal nerves are the nerves that come from the spinal cord. So their origin is the spinal cord. So from the spinal cord, these spinal nerves are right. So this classification is on the basis of the origin of the nerves. So here we have classified into 3 categories. First is on the basis of the presence and absence of myelin sheath, that is we have myelinated nerve and non-myelinated nerve. And then we have next category which is on the basis of where the place where the nerve impulse is going from which place to which place. So in this category we have sensory neuron, motor neuron and mixed neuron. And the next one is on the basis of the origin of the nerves. We have cranial nerves which originate from brain, and we have spinal nerves which originate from spinal cord. So this is the classification of the types of nerves that can be present. Now let's talk about the how does this nerve looks like. So there is a difference between the nerve or the nerve fiber and neuron. So we know that neuron is the basic unit of the whole nervous system. So we know that neuron looks like this. So we have the cell body and we have the dendrites, the long processes that come out of the cell, dendrites, and here we have nucleus, nucleus, granules, cytoplasm and all the things. And then here we have axon, and we have here we have the synaptic terminals. So the axon terminals and synaptic nerves, we need not to draw those in this case because here we are trying to understand the nerve fiber. So like this, there are many of them. We have another cell body or cyton, we have the dendrites, and then we have the axon. Again the cyton, dendrites and the axon, and then we have the axon terminal and the synaptic nerve. So we can draw them here. So somewhat like this. So these are the nerves. These are the neurons. So neurons are the basic units of the nervous system. So they are little cell-like structures. So little structures which are present all over the nervous system. So we can label it now. Here, this is the dendrites. This is the cyton, and this is the axon. So these are the neurons. Now the nerve fiber is actually a group of the neurons. So the difference between nerve fiber and neuron is that the neuron are the basic things, but the nerve fiber is constitutes of the neurons. So imagine this is a fiber, it's a nerve fiber. This is actually the nerve. So we can label here, this is what we called as nerve fiber. Nerve fiber is composed of these little neurons. So here we have labeled the dendrite, cyton, that is cell body, and axon, and then we have labeled the nerve fiber. Now here we have talked about three different kinds of the neurons, that is sensory neuron, motor neuron, and mixed neuron. So sensory one, so mixed neuron, this is. So for example, here we have the sense organ, and here we have the central nervous system that consists of brain and spinal cord, or CNS in short. Here we have sense organ, here we have the central nervous system. Now how is the nerve impulse or the electric signals are going to travel from? So the electric signals always travel from the dendrites. So we are going to label it. They are first going to come from the dendrites to the cyton and to the axon, and like that it's going to continue. It's going to go this way. So from the dendrites to the cyton to the axon, and then the synaptic knobs or the axon end bulb, and then again the dendrites of the other neuron, cyton, and then axon, and then again we have the axon terminals and synaptic knobs, and then again dendrites of the next neuron, cyton, axon, and so on. So this is how the nerve impulse travels from. Now here we have told it sense organ and central nervous system. If here we have sense organ and here we have CNS, then this nerve fiber might be a sensory one, sensory or afferent nerve fiber. So sensory nerve is where the nerve travels from the sense organ to the CNS. So this is an example of the sensory neuron or the sensory nerve. So for example, we can draw it in the other way, where here we have the dendrites and then cyton, and then here we have the axon terminals, and synaptic knobs or axon end bulbs, and then like that we have in the other way. Here what happens is the nerve impulse travels from the central nervous system to the sense organ. That is an example of the motor or the efferent nerve. Mixed nerve is where in this nerve fiber there are these neurons which are placed in this fashion, and there are neurons which are placed in the reverse fashion, so in upward fashion, where here the dendrites are, cyton is here, axon, and then these synaptic knobs are present, so they're present in reverse manner. So in mixed nerve fiber we have both kinds, so it's a mix of both kinds of neurons, the sensory neurons as well as motor neurons. So this is how the nerve impulse travels from. It always travels from the dendrites to the cyton to the axon. So from the dendrites it comes like this, in this way. So first it travels here, so we can do it like this. It always travels like this. Now this is actually the nerve fiber. Now the nerve fiber is covered with a fibrous sheath which is known as the epineurium. Epineurium is actually a fibrous fibrous sheath which actually supports this nerve fiber. So this is actually the nerve fiber, which is like a tube, and this fiber or the tube is covered with a sheath called as epineurium, and it is fibrous. So this is about the structure of the nerve fiber. So the PNS or the peripheral nervous system, this peripheral nervous system consists of all these, it includes these nerves, all these nerve fibers and all the things. So mainly we have cranial nerves and spinal nerves. Cranial nerves are the nerves that originate from brain, and spinal nerves are originating from the spinal cord. So in this video we discussed about peripheral nervous system. So the basic things, here we have the different types of neurons: myelinated, non-myelinated, sensory, motor, mixed, cranial and spinal. And then we looked at the basic structure of the the nerve fiber. So neuron is a basic unit of the nervous system, and the nerve fiber actually constitute these neurons. So this is the example of a nerve fiber. So we have labeled it. We have dendrites, cyton and axon and so on. So the nerve impulse always travels from the dendrites to the cyton to the axon, and again to the dendrites of the other neuron, and this one and this one. So here this is how the nerve impulse travels from, or the electric signals. So here we have the this neuron and the other neuron, and the space between these synaptic knobs of a neuron to the dendrites of the other neuron, the space between those is known as the synapse. So synapse can be electrical synapse and chemical synapse. Chemical synapse is where we have neurotransmitters. Electric synapse is by conduction of electric signals, like we have positive and negative charges along the membranes. There we have the action potential. So this is how the nerve impulse travels from the dendrites, always from the dendrites to cyton to the axon. So in sensory nerve fiber, these kind of neurons are present. This is an example of sensory nerve fiber. In motor nerve fiber, the other way, they're present in the other way. So if we think this is the sense organ and central nervous system. And mixed neuron is a mix of these both kind of neurons, the sensory neurons as well as motor neurons. So in this video, we discussed about the PNS, the basic things, the different types of the neurons, and also we discussed the basic structure of the nerve fiber.